Hi guys, I hope everyone is fine. Welcome to MSTC YouTube channel. Today I am here to unbox the all new OnePlus 12R, which is grey color, 16 GB 256 GB variant. It is a true flagship phone. So it is here. Come on, let's unbox it and see what are the items inside this OnePlus 12R box, which we bought it from OnePlus Online store. Few days back, very good offer was going on. The actual price of this phone was 46,000 and we got it for 38,000. Come on, it was a very good offer. So let's unbox this OnePlus 12R.